Yeah, hi, I'm Jose from.
Oh my God. You're fine. Go.
Sorry.
Start over.
Hi, I'm Jose, the parts manager for Quaid Harley-Davidson. I started here about 15 years ago, started our parts counter. Been in the industry for over 22 years. I want to talk about our store. We carry Harley-Davidson brand products and most aftermarket. We're here Tuesday through Saturday from 10 to 7, but we have people to answer your questions 7 days a week on our social media, emails, texts, or mostly website. First of all, I want to talk about a couple things we have here. We're pretty known for our handlebars and cable kits we carry here. We carry a big variety of selection. We carry Carlini, Kraus, Speed Kings, LA Choppers, Arlen S, Bun Kings. I want to talk about a couple packages we have going on this month. Right now for the Road Glide series, for the new Road Glides, from 17 to 20 Road Glides. This is our FXR division package. Right now we have on sale, it comes with the cables, fittings, grips, plate. Regular price on it is about $950. Right now we have it for about $849. The other setup we have here, I want to talk about, is our FXR division. God damn it.
Just keep going.
That one up.
Just say here what we have here. Start over. What we have here.
What we have here is a factory 47 setup for the Road Glides from 17 to 20. For guys that want to get that little, hands up a little higher, it's a nice setup here. We have all the cables, grips. This regular price is about $1,020, but right now we're doing it for out the door for about $899. So come check it out. We have another bike I want to show you. It's our Sport Glide that we did here in the service department. Our parts department we did Russ Vermont fairing. We did LA Choppers pullback handlebars, S&S air cleaner, S&S pipe. All the cabling done here. Come check it out. We do a lot of customization in our service department. But talk to our parts people. We have Shane, the parts counter, been here for 15 years, and we have Dee that been in the industry for about 41 years. So come check us out. Talk to them. We've probably the one of the best experience here. But check us out at Quaid Harley-Davidson, lomalinda.com, and our phone number is 909-796-8399. Check us out.